This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove an app from your app library on your iPhone. So this could be really easy. So I have PlayStation Remote Play right here. You can see it's in the cloud. So I might have removed this already. But all I have to do is go to Remove App right here. And then it says Removing App from Home Screen will keep the app in your app library. So we want to go to Delete the app. And this will also delete the data. So there goes PlayStation Remote Play, and we can just look for it right here, PlayStation Remote Play, and it's completely gone. And you can see this one's in the cloud right now, so I might have removed it at some point in time. So you want to go to delete the app. Now if you're not able to delete the app because of some weird permission, just go to settings, scroll on down to screen time right here and click this, and we have an option for content and privacy restrictions. Choose this. Go to iTunes and App Store purchases. Now under here you can see there's an option for deleting apps. So currently on my phone is called allowed, but if we go to allow right here, we can actually delete the app, but you might have don't allow it turned on, and this will stop you from deleting the app. So just make sure you delete the app, and then it should be removed from the cloud too. So you can see all these apps right here, they're just on a different device. This could be because you have your devices linked to. So if you go up to the top here, go to our name, and then go to iCloud. Go to Save to iCloud. If you have a different device, they could be synced up. So we can just delete the sync for those specific applications under here, or you can just turn this off completely. So you got like Safari, Freeform, and stuff like that. So you could just try turning off the sync. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.